Okay. Let's jump right in. I actually went to Ulta this morning and I got a couple things, which I'm very excited about. I have some new mascara, lashes, face powder, an eyeshadow palette that we're gonna dip into, foundation, concealer, new stuff that I've never tried before, so this is gonna be really fun. But first, my skin is feeling a little dry, and I am going to include some Morphe products just because Morphe is sold at Ulta. So I'm gonna get my hydrating mist and go ahead and spritz my face. Now, I've already done my brows. I'm also just gonna jump into my foundation primer by Morphe. This is the Revitalizer. I need a little moisture. I'm just going to jump into the Morphe eyelid primer, and we're just gonna use her. Take your little middle finger or whatever finger you like, and I'm just going to tap her on my lid area. Okay, so next, let's go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. Makeup Revolution has been a really popular brand lately, especially for their new concealer. It's supposed to be like a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, which I also grabbed. We're gonna be using that today. But they have this really pretty eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. It's so cute. It has a lot of soft berries, soft pinks in it, and I thought this would be a perfect palette to base off for just like a cute little Valentine's Day makeup look. So we're gonna use this one today. Can't open it. How do you open this? Literally, I can't even get this to open. Oh, great. Dropping everything. Whew, finally got it open. Okay, cool. So this is what the palette looks like. It's so cute. I'm gonna first jump into this shade right here, that cream one, just on like a fluffy brush, and I'm actually going to use this as a base to start off because I have no idea what I want to do. Oh, that's actually like really nice. What? Okay. I need something to kind of like lift up. Let's use Jacqueline. Bring my mirror up just a pinch. Oh, that is perfection. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with this color in the bottom, well, if you're looking at it this way, the bottom right of the palette, right here, just all over the eye. So I like to focus my transition shades on the outer corner of my lid, up into my crease, and just dust it all over. You already know. Okay, so far it's pretty. I don't know the name of this palette. Oh, it's called Reloaded Neutrals 2, just so you guys know. From here, I'm also going to jump into another brown. It's going to be this one right here, which is right next to that cream color that we used. And I'm going to take this on a denser brush. I'm using the Hiiii Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to pack this onto the outer lid here. And then go ahead and move her around up into that crease. This is just to add a little bit more definition to the eye. A little bit of smokiness, so I'm focusing this literally in that eye socket area. So I'm gonna jump into this berry tone right up here. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna jump into this one right here. I'm gonna do this one and then this one, just because I kind of want to build it up. So let's do that kind of orangey shade, just to really warm up the look. Because I want to look cute and like flirty, you know? 30, flirty, and thriving, even though I'm not 30. Blend that out. Now I'm going to go in with that Hiiii brush, and I'm going to take that deeper berry tone right here, and I'm going to focus this on that outer corner as well. Oh, that's pigmented. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and take my fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with that orangey shade again, just right under that berry color, and I'm going to use this as a little bit of my transition. I kind of wish I did this first, but that's okay, because you know, we're just kind of playing around right now. This color right here looks so pretty. I think we're going to use this one here. Okay, but I do need a little mist going on here. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. And I'm going to kind of use this brush to like, almost like a cut crease, but not really cut the crease, but just to kind of really define it. I'm going to get close to my mirror. I know right now it looks really messy, but I also need to like clean it up and you know, will smoke out the lower lash line and everything, and that'll be really pretty. I'm gonna go back in actually with, I think, this shade right here in that bottom corner to that outer lid area, just to bring a little bit more pink to the look. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I like her. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to the shadow in a minute. For lashes today, I did get the Faux Mink Wispy Lashes by Ardell. And for mascara, I grabbed the L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Mascara. So let's try her and see what we think. Oh, that's an interesting one. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay, so after a few coats, I kind of like the mascara, but this is something that I would wear when I'm not really wearing eye makeup. I'm just going to go ahead and take my Garnier Micellar Water, but you could use your makeup wipes, whatever, just to really sharpen up my outer corner. Not too sharp, I just want to clean up under the eye and give her a little moment right there. So lashes are on. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my skin. So for skin, I told you guys I went to Ulta. So I got a new foundation, a new powder, and a new concealer. Wait. Oh, did I not get my concealer? Oh no, I didn't get my concealer. Okay, you know what? That's okay because I'm so upset. Okay. I guess I didn't get the concealer, so I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, which I saw this when I was in Ulta, so I guess it's now considered drugstore. Picked up the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 118, and then the new Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade 110. So I'm going to use this to set my foundation and see if I get more coverage. I'm going to go ahead and spritz my beauty sponge. I'm using the Morphe and Jeffree Star beauty sponge, but you can use any beauty sponge you have. This is just the one that I have. Oh, I think that's a good match. Right now. Okay, so I need to get a little bit more. So this is for, oh crap, I got way too much. Have you guys been listening to Ariana's new album? It's like actually really good. I'm also getting my hair done tomorrow. I'm probably gonna vlog that. It's exciting. We're gonna go lighter. I missed my blonde hair, so I think we're gonna try to transition my hair back to blonde. Do you ever have those makeup days where you're just like not feeling anything? That's me right now. Let's jump into the concealer. I'm using the shade Light 10, just right under the eyes right there, and blend her in. I'm going to go ahead and take that flat end of the sponge and use that to blend out the outer corner here so I can still keep that sharp edge right there for my shadow. Let's jump into the powder. I'm so excited to use this. I hope it's not a flop. So, hello, why can't I open anything from the freaking drugstore? Mine is in the shade 110 Porcelain. I'm just going to take a flat brush and use this to set my under eye. Hopefully this is the right shade for me, because if not, I'm going to cry. Oh, wow, okay. I'm just going to use that same brush and just tap it into my skin. Okay, so the powder looks actually kind of pretty. I am creasing a little bit under my eye, like quicker than I normally would, which is weird. I don't know if it's the powder. I'm not sure what's going on, but anyway, I'm going to jump into bronzer. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and a large brush. This is the Morphe R2 brush, my favorite bronzer brush at the moment. Now, I don't want to contour. I just want to give my cheeks a little bit of like warmth, just a little moment. Just up on my temples here, back into the hairline. Hi and welcome back. So my camera literally died in the middle of my bronzing, and it wasn't turning on, so I had to charge it. So I literally left the kitchen and made myself a full-on meal. Anyway, now we're back. So let's get started. I'm going to apply some blush, and I'm using the Milani Luminosa. We are throwing it back today. Little blush brush. And just throw her on. Because we want to look cute and glowy, you know? I like to take some on my nose so I look sick. And then your loved one can be like, oh, are you okay? And then they give you extra love and attention. Let's do a little highlight moment. I bought this a long time ago and I have never ever used it. I've only swatched it on my hand and I don't think I actually ever used it like on my face. This is the Physicians Formula Shimmer Strips in Riviera Strip / Sand Bronzer. I'm going to focus just right on like the top 3 strips just because anything below that is just a little too bronzy for me. Just a little back and forth moment. That's pretty cute. Tip of the nose. I'm using my Jeffree Star highlighter brush, but you could use any highlighter brush you have. Let's finish off the lower lash line. Are you kidding me? Okay. Finally I got her open. I was gonna go crazy. I think I'm just gonna go straight into this color here. Now I have hiccups, great. And I'm bringing it all the way from that outer corner to that inner corner. Hi. Then I'm gonna go ahead and dip into, hold on actually, I'm lying. I'm going to take a flat to finer brush and go back into that berry tone shade, and I'm going to use this on my lower lash line, just kind of really close to my lashes, and just press her in there. And I'm just going to take that first brush and just smudge it out. Why am I holding my brush like this? That was really weird. Just to amp things up a little bit, this is the only eyeliner I pretty much use in my waterline. It is the NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Light, I believe. It's just like the perfect nude pencil. I've never found another nude pencil that I'm in love with. So this is actually kind of a really pretty, this one right here. It's like a nice champagne-y kind of peachy tone shade, and I'm going to use this on a small brush. Hold on, let me find one. I'm going to use this on my Jaclyn Hill 42 brush, JH42, and use this as my inner corner highlight. My dog is barking. We're going back into the mascara and applying it to our lower lash line. Now let's go ahead and move on to lips. I'm going to use Morphe lip products just because I didn't see anything that I liked from NYX or any of the other brands. Like I didn't find any like kind of berry pinky tones that I was looking for, so these are perfect. This is the lip pencil in the shade Foolish, and just go to town, line my lip. This is cute. I actually really like how this look turned out. I'm going to go ahead and take the Morphe matte lipstick in the shade Fling. Alright, and then just to ensure everything stays in place all night on Valentine's Day, I'm going to take my Morphe setting spray, and set my face. One more. Just in case. Alright, so that completes today's video for this Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you could see everything that I'm doing outside of YouTube. Let me know if there's any other videos you guys would like to see in the comments down below, and I see you in my next video. Bye!